Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to enable second space or multiple user on the Redmi A5. Now to do that, just open the settings app on your smartphone. From here, just scroll down and tap on system. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on users. Now just tap on add a user. Now just tap on next. Now from here, just enter the name of the new user. Just like that. Now once you enter the name, just tap on done. Now if you enable this toggle, you can enable phone calls and SMS for the new user. Just like that. And note that if you enable this toggle, the call and SMS history will be shared with this new user. Just like that. From here, just tap on switch to the new user. Now from here, just tap on setup now. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now just tap on continue. Now from here, just wait for a few seconds. And from here, just enter the email of the new user. Now once you enter the Gmail of the new user, just tap on next. From here, just enter the password of the Gmail of the new user. Now once you enter the password of the Gmail of the new user, just tap on next. Now from here, just select who will be using this device. You can select between I will be using this device or my child will be using this device. Now once you select the option, just tap on next. Now just tap on I agree. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now just create a PIN of at least 4 digits. Now just tap on next. Now just enter the PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now just tap on confirm. From here, just tap on more and tap on I agree. Now just tap on do it later. Now just tap on skip anyway. Now just tap on more and tap on I agree. From here, just tap on skip. Now just tap on more and tap on accept. Now just tap on continue. Now just tap on continue and tap on no thanks. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled second space or multi-user on our smartphone. And as you can see, all our data has been hidden. Just like that. Now, if you open the settings app, and if you go to system, from here, just tap on users. You can see that we have successfully enabled a second user on our smartphone. Just like that. Now, if you want to switch back, just tap on owner. Now from here, just tap on switch to owner. Now it will switch from the user to the owner. Just like that. And this is how you can enable second space or multiple users on the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.